This is ZTE Axon 20 5G, and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So, to start, we will need to open the Wi-Fi settings page, which you can do through the, generic settings app. Or you can also simply open Control Panel and touch and hold at the Wi-Fi icon and be forwarded to the Wi-Fi settings page from there. At this point, you gotta tap at the Wi-Fi network that you would like to share. Then at the network details page, go for the share option. And in here, as you can see, the system will provide us with a QR code, which you can further scan in order to, get some other device connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.